We're here with our students from Barcelona Technology School at IOT World Congress. It's the way that we would like to kind of introduce our students to the real world of IoT, cybersecurity, and for them to kind of come out of the lessons and experience the real life of what they would find once they finish at their masters, and experience what different companies they can find in Barcelona and obviously all around the world.
We're here at the IOT Solutions World Congress. We're about to hear the first talk and the first discussion here. Very exciting to see all the different companies from all over the world and to see which solutions they offer.
This IoT Congress, I think that is a place that we can find world-class companies of all around the world that are working and which the industry is going to evolve in the next few years.
We just came out from the escape room of the Cybersecurity Agency of Catalonia, and we as a team, we had to find out the international hacker. It was actually super fun, and we managed to do the task.
It was an amazing experience here at the IoT Congress to see how different trends and different technologies can bring together these solutions, and to see how different trends like cloud computing, blockchain, IoT, and also cybersecurities work together to build like more sustainable cities, more secure environments. So it was really inspiring also to hear many speakers talking about it from real experiences. So for me it was an amazing experience.